What's good, fam? It's the homie Bigg Vic. We back in here with another video, but today I'm juicing for the very first time. I'm about to try this juice challenge. We got the new Siphene, I think I'm saying it right, Siphene slow masticator juicer. We got some apples, boom. We got some oranges. We got some lemons. We got some limes. We got some carrots. It's supposed to be real good for my eyes. Maybe I can take these glasses off sooner or later if I keep juicing the right way. And then we have this ginger. Oh, I done broke the ginger. Anyway, we got the ginger, and we're gonna jump right into this video and get started with this juicer. So this is it's my first time. Don't beat me up in the comments, all right? So let's go ahead and start chopping some of this up because this apple looks like it's a little too big to fit down in there. So I'm going to chop this apple up. Let me slide these over here to the side. Start chopping up and start juicing. Carrots, I'm gonna wash these carrots down. I'm not gonna use too much of this ginger. I'm gonna use a good bit so I can get a little tangy tang. I think that's enough. Let me cut it one more again. Hit this forward button. Let's see how this goes. Lord have mercy. How does this thing go? I can't put it in there. Well, I don't even know what I'm doing right now. What's going on? This is locked. This is unlocked. Is that it? Oh, I had a lock. Just let the juice build up. We're getting our juice on. Okay then, juicer. Not bad, y'all, so far. Let's let some of this fresh juice in. Let's get the next apple cut up. Okay then. I had it locked. No, this whole thing ain't gonna fit. I can look at that and tell. No, we're gonna chop it up in four. Okay, I see it over there. I see it getting to work over there. We'll drop the next piece in. Whoa. Bigg Vic juicing, y'all. Yo, we got real apple juice right now. How about that? What we doing, son? You see a little pulpy, right? We getting some juice up out of here today. All right, so let's see what we got next. Now let's chop up this orange. Let's do the carrot next. We'll wash it down and get our carrots going. Look like it slide right in there. Right? I don't know if we're gonna go for all the carrots or what. Whoa. Okay, carrots. Oh, my bad. There we go. Supposed to mash them up in there like that. Oh, we juicing, y'all. Let's throw a couple more carrots in here. This better taste good. Lord have mercy. It better taste good. I don't like nasty stuff now. We got a few carrots in there. We got some carrot juice. I'm filling up over there. We're gonna drop an orange in here. I like orange juice. I think I should chop this up in 4. I want to eat the orange now, actually. Juicing with Bigg Vic. What's good, y'all? Oh, look at that orange juice. Look at that orange juice. We got real orange juice right about now. Just one ginger. So now we're gonna drop this ginger in here. Look at that ginger turning into juice. Let's drop a lemon. I think I could drop the whole lemon in there. Nah, I better cut it. Huh?
Drop the whole thing.
That's too big. I'm cutting it in half. I feel better cutting it in half. All right, let's get this back rolling. Let's drop this lemon in here. Drop a lemon. Oh, we ain't playing with it right now. What's good, y'all? We're going with the lime. One lime and it's gonna do it. I feel like I'm losing some lime. But let me chop her in half. Let's see what we got, y'all. All right. Oh, she juicing. Juicing with Bigg Vic here. Just a little. Store it. I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna see what it tastes like. This is actually pretty good. Let me find out. This tastes way better than I thought it was gonna taste. Wow. I need this on ice. This really tastes good, y'all. I'm serious. Juicing with the green vegetables. So I want to try some different combinations. My very first time, as y'all can see, I had the thing locked. And I was wondering why I couldn't get nothing in here for it to start juicing. I almost bought a $700 juicer, but I'm glad I started with this one. Because this did the same job. And it tastes really good. Oh my God. If you're not juicing, I would highly recommend you start juicing. I'm getting mad because my camera's going in and out, the focus, and I'm hoping it did not do that for a majority of this video. But thanks for watching. It's the homie Bigg Vic TV. I will be coming back sporadically trying some more little juicing recipes as I do my juicing challenge. All right, see y'all in the next one. You already know what it is. Always hustle, never stop growing. To the next video, let's go, let's get it. Let's drink.